I'm living in layers.
US 92 east for 6 miles.
Hey guys, so today's Wednesday. It's 1:20 in the afternoon and we are 6 miles away from Daytona Beach. It's really sunny, super hot, 89 degrees, so I think it's gonna be perfect. And the fact that it's Wednesday, so hopefully it's empty. So I'll update you guys once we get there. They have your Buffalo Wild Wings.
Buffalo Wild Wings. Yeah, that must be the racetrack there. You see it? Daytona 500.
I don't see it. Oh,
All that? See that big building out there? Those are the stands that we sit in.
Oh, this is tree stand. I don't see it.
Yeah. Yep. That's it. Yeah, all of that.
Right there. It's cool.
Yeah, it's big.
Wow.
See the track goes all the way around.
Wow. How cool would it be to come to one of these?
Yeah. No.
No? Okay. No.
It'd be cool to just say we went, but they're boring.
Are they really?
And they're loud. Look at that. That's
wow.
Cool. It's cool to
That's
look at
sick.
it. NASCAR. Woo!
Woo!
Daytona International Speedway.
That's really cool. I feel like I didn't see this last time.
No, I didn't either.
Maybe we came in a different way.
Yeah, it's possible. That's cool.
Yeah.
You want to get the entrance?
I did. It's really cool. I love all the palm trees.
That is cool. Alright. Here, look.
Yes.
I don't remember this.
I don't remember this either. We came in differently a different way. Hi, honey. We're almost there. He's been
How was your
napping
nap?
this whole time.
How was your nap, bud? He says, I smell the ocean.
We didn't get him a bathing suit. He had two, but he had already outgrown them, so he's just wearing some shorts and this really cute onesie that his grandpa John got him. So he'll probably be just running in around the sand in his onesie. Right, honey? Cutie. My boys, they're so white, so I have to load them up with sunscreen. Are you excited for the beach, hon?
Yeah.
What?
It's been a while.
What?
Going to the beach.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Papa. You're so cute.
Yeah, they have Maryland crab. Oh, we might stop by there.
Is that what you used to have when you were younger?
Yeah, all those pictures are Maryland crabs. It has the Old Bay.
But they don't, is it cooked? It's not cooked.
Cooked with the Old Bay.
Okay. I think I can have it too then. As long as it's cooked.
Yeah. Oh, you can't have it.
Why?
You can't have it. It's shellfish.
Yeah, I can.
It's the mercury. You can't have it.
Well, it depends. This is some stuff is like really high in mercury.
Yeah. You can't have it.
Okay, I can have just a little piece. Just a tiny little bite. So I can know what it tastes like. The only thing that I've been close to like having crab is like those crab cakes from when we got engaged.
Yeah.
And I actually liked them. I thought they were really good.
They're alright.
Oh my gosh. The only crab that I have that I think is delicious.
You didn't like the crab from Mexico? The $100 crab that you got me?
Did we have crab or did we have lobster?
No, I had crab. I definitely had crab for $100.
I had to spoil my man.
It's where the house was, our place. I'll show you.
Oh yeah, because you lived close to the water, huh?
Yeah, we had water in the backyard, a canal.
Come on, Papa. What? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. Yay! No, he's not happy. Cutie. Different one.
I think when we came in, we were way down there.
Huh. Oh, we can find that hotel again.
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
Over here.
Oh, good. Wow, this is really cool.
And I wanted to see the dolphins.
I know.
Street kid. Yeah.
So last time we came, we went over this other little bridge that opens up.
Turn right onto South
So
Peninsula Drive.
like the big boats can go through and stuff. And we got to see, while we were waiting for it to close down, we got to see dolphins. So we were hoping that we could see them again this time, but we went, I guess, a different route than last time. But it's still really cool and amazing views.
Yeah, I think we were way down for a little. Because we drove along the beach for a while.
Even the houses are like really cute here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So we've been living in Florida for
Almost 2 years.
yeah. Wait, what are we in March?
Yeah, almost 2 years.
On March 17th is the exact day that we left California. But
No.
yeah, it is.
May.
Oh no, May,
Your
just kidding.
destination is on the
Oh
left.
yeah, okay, so just kidding. May 17th is the day that we left California. And we got to Florida, what, June 1st?
Yeah.
Was it? June 1st, so almost 2 years, and I still feel like we just moved. Like just being here at the beach, I feel like a brand new person in Florida, like a tourist. But we are parking in like outside of a hotel, or like in a hotel's parking lot, and then this little area thing, we walk through there, and then it takes us to the beach. So I'll show you guys when we get there.
Can't stand like a sunspray. Morning to the ends of each arm. I'm running. I streak and slam like a sunspray. Morning to the ends of each arm. I'm running. I streak you. Yeah. I streak and slam like a sunspray. Morning to the ends of each arm. I'm running. I streak and slam like a sunspray. Morning to the ends of each arm. I'm
Hey, you wanna go to the water? It's okay if we go to the water really quick?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll go with you guys. Yeah.
I said, hey, you, perfectly on cue at the end of the night. As I recall, I said, hey, babe, when you walked my way, you caught me on fire. Save me the time, I'll save you the trouble. When you've had enough and I can't take it anymore. Something about her, when she said hello, I'm taking you home. I'd rather burn fast than let it burn slow. So let it burn, baby. Let it burn fast, yeah. Let it burn slow. So let it burn, baby. Let it burn fast, yeah. I sang Hey Jude, perfectly out of tune by the end of the drive, but got a little lost, you won't lie to me, 'cause every memory will set them on fire. There's something about her, when she said hello, I'm taking you home. I'd rather burn fast than let it burn slow. So let it burn, baby. Let it burn fast, yeah.
Say hi.
It's so dirty. That shirt's gonna be done. Can't go on the sheet anymore. No more on the blanket.